This is the third video of modular programming, or you can say function and sub-procedure QBasic programming. In my previous two videos, we discussed about these first two programs, and I have created a solution file for this as well. As you can see here, this is using function, this is using sub. Both all the programs using function and sub-procedure, I am providing you the solution. You can check the link in the description for this file as well as for this file. So today we are going to discuss this area of circle program, the third program. So after watching this video, I will provide the solution for this program as well as solution for this program. So understand this third number and look at the solution, try it by yourself and understand fourth program as well. So let's get started. So to solve this problem, area of circle using function and sub procedure, here is the formula. Pi into r, pi r square is the formula of area of circle. I'm using this QB 1.0, not 64. How to download? I will provide you the link. You can download this QB 1.0 very easily. Okay, so I have opened this software. Now I will write here declare function calculating area. So I'll write area and we need radius for this. So I'll write here r for radius. As a parameter, I'm writing here r. We need value of pi as well. So we can keep pi here or directly we can write pi. Okay, so now PLS input value of pi is constant, so we'll keep it. Enter radius. Radius r. Now to call the function procedure, x equals to area, that is name of the function, bracket r radius. We're calling the function by writing the function name and then parameter, and function returns a value and we are storing that return value in x. So we need to print the value, that is area of circle is x. Because return value is stored in x, that is the area of circle, and then end. Now we need to write the definition of function area r. You can just copy it from here as well. When you press enter, it will show you the block for function procedure, which will look like this. Now we need to calculate area. So for area, we have radius, which is entered by the user as an input. We need next value, that is value of pi. Value of pi is what? Constant. So to do that, we need to write here const, that is short form of constant, const pi equals to 22/7, or you can write 3.14. That's your choice, 22/7 for now. Const is a keyword which is used to declare constant variable, that is pi. I have written here pi. You can write pi or p only, your choice. So let me write pie for now, pi. Now to calculate area, I will write here function name, because function returns a value. To return the value, you should use function name for calculation. Area equals to pi, that is pie r square into r power 2. This is r square, pi r square. Instead of writing this, you can write r into r as well. This is also fine, pi r square. Now you can run the program. Enter radius 7, area of circle is 154. This is working perfectly fine. Okay, this is, let me show you both the program by clicking on split option. In the first module here, we'll go to subs untitled. Here is the main module, here is the function module. This is done. Now to do same program using sub procedure, what you need to do, you need to change this function to sub. Here also same to sub. And while calling a sub procedure does not return a value. So instead of writing x equals to area, we'll write here call. Call is a keyword which is used to call the sub procedure. Sub procedure does not return a value, so we can cut this line. We don't need this printed statement here. And next changes is here. We cannot write here area, that is sub procedure name, because sub procedure does not return a value. So instead of writing area, that is the sub procedure name, you can write something else. So I will write here a. equals to pi r square. Now sub procedure does not return a value, so we need to print value here. Area of circle is, and write here a. Instead of a, you can write x, b, y, something else also. So let me run the program. This is using the sub procedure. Let me enter the value 5. Area of circle is 78.57143. This is how it works. So I have used here const keyword to declare a constant variable. If you don't want to use that, just you can remove it. This is the best method, and you can just write 22/7 here instead of pi. Directly in the formula also you can write. This is also the correct way to do. So let me enter 4. Yes, absolutely correct. And if you want to pass pi value as a parameter as well, so you can write here pi for pi pi. And as we are passing as a parameter, so what you need to do is you need to write here const pi equals to 22/7. Before input or after input, wherever you want you can write, but as a parameter also you need to pass, that is pi here also. As a parameter you need to receive value as well, so pi here also, and we are passing pi, so we don't need to write here value now, pi. So this is also correct. All the three forms of doing the program is correct. You can try any one of this, which is simple and easy for you. Hope you are clear with this program. Have a good day and see you in the next video. And for the solutions and questions, check link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share with your friends.